that security is like the oxygen that, or the air that we normally breathe. You know, we don't think much about our breathing, and I'm sure even the majority of you are not even remembering that you are breathing. Because everything is okay. Until the air you are breathing have some problems, or you have a problem in your lungs, the first thing to remember is to remember your God, to save you quickly because you are in trouble of not breathing. So security is actually the same. When you have some problems, you try to remember probably a police officer that you can remember somewhere who can also be able to assist you. So I want a situation whereby all of us, we stay safe, we are secure, we can be able to do our work from morning to evening, from evening to the next morning. Our children can go to school. Our fathers and mothers can go to work and return back safely. Every kind of business is secure. That is the kind of country that we require. But then, security is not about the police. Security is about all of us. And that's the reason why we have come calling to the Africa International University to assist us so that we can be able to deliver on that mandate. So that by the end of my term, I can look back like the IG emeritus here and say, yes, we have done that.